Hi everyone! In this video you will learn how to master every level in Candy Crush Soda Saga. Each level has specific goals. Focus on understanding what you need to achieve before starting. Take a moment to survey the board before making a move. Look for potential matches and special candies. Strip, wrap, and color bomb candies are your best friends. Learn how to create and use them strategically. Combining special candies can create powerful effects. For example, a strip candy plus wrap candy combo clears a significant portion of the board. If a level requires you to clear blockers or spread jam, prioritize those actions over simply matching candies. Fish candies target specific blockers or objectives. Coloring candies can change the color of candies on the board. Each move counts. Try to make moves that contribute directly to completing the level's objectives. Don't waste special candies on moves that don't help you progress. Save them for when they can make a significant impact. Some levels have predictable patterns. Recognize this and plan your moves accordingly. If you're stuck early in a level, consider restarting to preserve your lives for more challenging stages. If you're repeatedly failing a level, take a break. Sometimes a fresh perspectives after a break can help. Use booster strategically. They can often be a difference between success and failure. Some levels introduce new elements. Understand how these elements work to use them to your advantage. In some levels, candies fall in a specific pattern. Use this to plan cascading moves. And that's how to master every level in Candy Crush Soda Saga. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.